In this video, we're going to learn how to download a free Photoshop brush and upload it into Photopea. You can find free Photoshop brushes on Google, and I'm going to look for a Snowflake brush. Brush Easy is a really good site. It's free and it doesn't require you to make an account. All right, this went straight to this Snowflake brush, and I could click on this for a free download. And if you scroll down a little bit, there's usually some other options. So I could also choose some of these or these. I think I'm going to go with this one. All right, I'm going to click on my free download, and this will download to my downloads folder. All right, I like to put it onto my desktop. It's going to be a zipped file. And once I put it on my desktop, I'm going to double click on it and unzip it. All right, there is now a folder that I have 20 freeze snowflakes. And if I go inside of the folder, I am going to look for that file that has the extension .abr. That tells me it's a brush. All right, now we need to go to Photopea, and I am going to load the brush. So let's make a new document. I'm going to use inches. Okay, next I am going to go to the brush tool. I'm going to drop down the brush menu right here. And right here there is a drop down arrow. I will click that and choose load.abr. I'm going to browse for my brush that I just put on my desktop. Click on the .abr file and click open. All right, I'm going to go now back to my brushes, back to my brush menu. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and my new brushes, I got 20 of them. There they are, the Snowflake brushes. They're all there at the bottom of the brush palette. So I'm going to go ahead and make a brand new layer, and how about choose a new color so we can see my snowflakes. Going to reduce the size a little bit. And this is, the snowflake is an object, so I can just stamp with it. If I do paint with it, you'll see there's going to be a scatter brush. So now there's a lot of them scattering. Try one of my other snowflake brushes. So I can just click once to stamp the snowflake, or if I drag it and paint with it, then it scatters a lot of them.